In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a custom URL field in Salesforce. In this session, I will explain what a URL field is, why it's used in real-time business scenarios, and walk you through the complete step-by-step process of creating a custom URL field, setting field level security, and adding it to a page layout. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Sawyer. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce, CRM consultation, and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce, CRM consultation, and implementation. So let's get started with the video. First, let's understand what a URL field in Salesforce actually is. A URL field is used to store a web link that users can click to open a related page. This link doesn't always have to be an external website. It can also point to internal Salesforce records, dashboards, reports, or even external applications. Essentially, any navigable link that helps users quickly access related information can be stored using a URL field. Now, let's look at some real-world use cases where a URL field is commonly used. For example, storing invoice or receipt links as external PDF files, saving a LinkedIn profile link on a contact record, linking to an external support or ticketing system, navigating to a related Salesforce record, or connecting to third-party tools. In all these scenarios, the URL field makes it easier for users to access relevant information with a single click. Let's move on to a real-time example. I have a custom object called payment, and my requirement is to create a custom URL field where I can store a receipt PDF link for each payment record. To do this, I will first go to Setup, then open Object Manager and search for the payment object. Once the object is open, I will navigate to Fields and Relationships and click on New to create a new field. Here, I will select the data type as URL. Salesforce clearly mentions that this field allows users to enter a valid website address. And when clicked, the URL opens in a new browser window. After selecting the URL data type, I will click Next and provide the field label as Receipt PDF, since this field will store the payment receipt link. Next comes an important step: field level security. Field level security determines who can view or edit the field, regardless of where it appears in Salesforce. This is especially important for URL fields because incorrect access can lead to broken or corrupted links. For sensitive links like payment receipts, it's always a best practice to make the field read-only and allow edit access only to specific users, such as system administrators. In this case, I will ensure that only the system administrator has edit access, while others either have read-only access or no visibility, depending on the requirement. Once this is configured, I will click Next and then Save to create the field. Now that the field is created, the next step is to add it to the page layout. I will open Page Layouts, select the appropriate layout for the payment object, and drag and drop the Receipt PDF field onto the layout. After saving the layout, I will go back to the payment record and refresh the page. If the field is not immediately visible, I will use Edit Page, save the page, and refresh again. Now the receipt PDF field is visible onto the record. To test it, I will copy a receipt PDF link from OneDrive, paste it into the receipt PDF file, and save the record. Once saved, clicking on this link will automatically open the received PDF in a new browser tab. This is how we can create and use a custom URL field in Salesforce to improve accessibility and streamline user workflows. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful, and now you completely know about how to create a custom URL field inside of Salesforce CRM. If you found this video useful and informative, please give it a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next part.